Hey guys, your Tech Admin here, and today I'm going to be installing Windows 98 on my IBM Thinkpad 390X. So I've got my totally legitimate copy of Windows 98 2nd Edition right here, and I've also got my Windows 98 boot disk ready to go. Since this had Linux on it, we're going to need to boot off of the boot disk first in order to prepare the hard drive, and then once we've done that, we'll be able to start the installer. I can't actually boot directly from this disk as we learned with the last Windows 98 install, but it can't format the hard disk, so we have to do that using the boot disk. So let's go ahead and pop this in and get started. Okay, so here we are at the MS-DOS prompt. So we're going to run the fdisk utility first. So I'll type fdisk and hit enter. We will enable large disk support. And first I'm just going to view the partitions. So I'll hit 4, and we have 2 non-DOS partitions. And that's pretty typical, so we'll go ahead and hit escape to continue. And we will hit 3 to delete partitions. We will hit 4 to delete a non-DOS partition. And we'll delete the first one. Yes. And it's going to send us back. We'll delete the next partition. Yes. Alright, now we're going to create a DOS partition. Create primary DOS partition. And it's going to run through the creation process. Alright, so now it's asking us if we want to make the partition active. We're going to say yes. And it's going to run through again. Okay, so now we have to reboot for the changes to take effect. So we'll go ahead and hit escape. And then hit Control-Alt-Delete to restart the system. Alright, now that we're back in the DOS prompt, we're going to type format C: to format the newly created partition. Hit yes, and let it run through. The format is complete, so I'm going to go ahead and pop the Windows 98 disk in the drive, and I will run setup. Okay, so that is Windows 98 installed. Obviously, we're missing tons of drivers. Let's just go ahead and pop into Device Manager real quick and have a look at what we're missing. Oh yeah, there's quite a few things missing here. And obviously some drivers that are not proper, like this display adapter driver is just the default generic driver. So in the next part, I'm going to try to track down all the drivers and we will get them installed. So thanks for watching. Until next time, guys, take it easy.